Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you the fastest moving construction site in Jamaica. This is the construction of the Unico Hotel in Lilliput, Montego Bay. Now this site is moving at lightning speed. We did a video, I think it was 2 weeks ago. We're going to put all the videos in a playlist, so that you can see the dates and the different and how far the construction has reached. Now, look at the size of these buildings. You would think this is a 2,000 room hotel or a 1,000 room hotel, but this hotel is actually 491 rooms. It's a luxury hotel. Unico is an adult luxury hotel brand, and the contractor is, well, clearly the contractor is not China Harbour Engineering Company or a Chinese contractor. It's a contractor out of the Dominican Republic, and they are moving. Now there are other construction sites in Jamaica that are moving quickly. You have the Pinnacle in Montego Bay, where they're building 2 towers at 28 floors. That one, well, it's not moving as quickly as this one. You have in Ocherios, SOL Harbour is building 2 7-floor buildings, but it's moving, but not as quickly as this one. And there is another high-rise building going up in Montego Bay, the Racket Club. But I'm really impressed with how quickly this development is moving. And they're going to be building 2 more hotels bigger than this one on this property. We're by Lilliput in Montego Bay. All the way to the right of us is the Iberostar Hotel. And between Iberostar, beside Iberostar, you're going to have the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which is 1,000 rooms. They haven't started construction of that one yet. And then beside the Hard Rock is going to be this one that we're looking at, which is the Unico. And then beside the Unico, you're going to have, well, at first we were told it was a Ritz-Carlton, but now it seems as if they've changed it to a Moon Palace, and it's going to be a massive hotel. So this entire area is going to become a hotel strip. Some people say that the Elegant Corridor goes all the way out here to Iberostar. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. When you're driving out of Montego Bay, you have lots of hotels on the stretch, and that's what they call the Elegant Corridor. I'm not sure if it extends all the way out here, but with all the development taking place, maybe it should. Alright guys, let us know what you think about how fast this development is moving. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.